Hi friends, how are you guys doing? Welcome to my channel Gardening Lover, and today I'm gonna show you how you guys can propagate crown of thorns plant from cuttings. So here I took two pieces of cuttings from crown of thorns plant from one of my relatives' house. You guys also can collect the cuttings from any park or relatives or neighbor house. Also, I dried out the wounds of the cuttings under shady area so that there won't be any fungal growth when we grow it in the soil. After 1 to 2 days of drying out, now these cuttings are ready to grow in the soil in order to make new plants. So here we go. I'm taking two pieces of disposable paper cups as primary pots. I also made hole under the cups so that the extra water can drain out whenever we water the cuttings. And using paper cups for cutting growing is easier so that you can transplant it easily whenever the roots come out. For the potting media, I take some soil, normal garden soil, and some red sand. Any kind of sand you can take and mix them all very well. Then I'm gonna put some pieces of dry leaves over the hole so that the soil doesn't drain out with water, just to clog the holes with dry leaves. Then filling up the cups with our potting medium. I filled up the cups. Now it's time to grow the cuttings in the soil. Now just simply bury the cuttings under the soil, but careful, don't bury the cuttings too deep inside the soil. Then tap the cups on the ground so that there remains no air pocket under the soil. Now it's time to give water to the plants, I mean the cuttings. For the first time we have to give water very well so that all the soil get very moist at first. Then the next watering we will give when the soil seems dry. Crown of thorns plant don't like very wet or soggy soil, so we have to be careful about the watering. So here I'm watering the cuttings very gently so that the cuttings doesn't fall aside. I will show you the result of these cuttings in part 2. So to be connected with gardening lover, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment under the video.